Thank you for joining us tonight. We begin with a developing story. For the better part of this evening, three major sites associated with Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram, have been down. The three, used mostly for communication across different platforms, experienced an outage, as confirmed on the only functioning site, Twitter. The WhatsApp team, for example, took to Twitter to explain that they were aware that some users may be experiencing issues with the platform. The team promises as early as 7:15 p.m. to get things back to normal. It is 9 p.m. That hasn't happened. It is not clear what the technical challenge has been, but the platform has been off. WhatsApp is one of the top text, audio and communication platforms. Instagram has also been down, and using Twitter, the Instagram team said, noting what they described as a bit of hard time, and also promised to resolve the outage. Facebook has also used the Twitter platform to communicate the challenges and promised